What are you doing on Friday the 13th, 2029? Because apparently we're all going to get a very close visit from an asteroid called Apophis. Now, I want to just be very clear from the beginning of this video. Apophis is not going to hit Earth. Not going to hit Earth. It's just going to come pretty close to us compared to other asteroids in recent times. So I learned about that this week, and I've just been trying to tell like everybody I know, because what do you mean Apophis is going to come close to Earth on Friday the 13th? It's too good. It's too good. But again, we are not in danger. Nothing's going to happen, but I want to tell you a little bit more about this little asteroid, or not so little actually. Apophis is actually a pretty large asteroid, over 1,000 feet wide. That's roughly the size of 3 football fields. And on April 13th, 2029, it's going to pass by Earth closer than some of our satellites. It's going to come within 20,000 miles of Earth's surface. To put that into perspective, our moon is about 240,000 miles away. So we will definitely be able to see this by just looking up. Well, depending on where you are. Scientists have calculated its orbit pretty carefully, and so far there is 0 chance of impact in 2029. Now, if this asteroid sounds a little familiar to you, it's because when it was discovered in 2004, it did have the potential for impact. But thanks to better data and observations, we're able to rule out a potential collision. So that's great. So I was playing online with this tool called Eyes on the Asteroid from NASA, and it's pretty wild because it lets you see all of the asteroids that are near Earth in our solar system, just orbiting around. And there must be, I don't know, hundreds of thousands of them. And I know just looking at this seems a little scary, a little doomsday, like what's going to happen? But scientists are really great at calculating the orbits of all of these objects and understanding whether there is a risk to Earth or not. Let's just say for a moment, hypothetically, that there is an asteroid that is headed for Earth. We've calculated its orbit and we know that Earth is in the way. What do we do? Well, it turns out we've already tested a solution for that. It's called the DART mission, Double Asteroid Redirection Test. Basically, in 2022, NASA launched a spacecraft that did one job. It slammed itself into an asteroid to see if we could nudge it off its path. And it worked. We literally punched an asteroid and changed its direction just a little. The target was a smaller asteroid that was orbiting a larger one, and our collision with it changed its orbit around the parent asteroid. It wasn't a huge change, but in space, even little nudges can make a big difference over time. And the fact that we can do this means that if, or when, there is an object that has the potential to hit Earth, and that potential is high, then we have a solution. We have options to nudge it slightly out of the way and just avoid the collision altogether. But yeah, back to Friday the 13th, 2029 and Apophis. I just want to reiterate that that asteroid is not going to hit Earth. So put it on your calendar, April 13th, 2029. Do not panic, but it will be really cool to look up and see an asteroid come so close to our planet. Let me know in the comments if you've heard about Apophis before or something cool that you've learned this week. I'll see you next time. Bye!